Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And for this video, we're going to look at this one. You know what this is? It's a professional coin collection book. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a professional coin collection book. And you might be wondering, how is this related to Heroclix? Well, as you know, in Heroclix, we have action tokens and also special bystander tokens. Okay, like you see here, this is my Scott Porter bystander token. Okay, signed by the man himself. The Spirit of the Game bystander token. Okay, so special tokens are definitely worthwhile to put in coin capsules. Okay, but sometimes you might be a bit hesitant to put bystanders in coin capsules. Okay, so when you have a lot of action tokens and you have a lot of bystanders, you tend to be choosy on what to put in a coin capsule. Okay, so like for example, in the latest set, Avengers 60th, so I have here generic zombies. Okay, so generic zombies generated by Morgan Le Fay, and I don't want to put them on a coin capsule because first and foremost, I won't be using them a lot. Okay, and at the same time, but I do want to keep them protected to some extent. Okay, I also have the Tipito, okay, Squirrel Girl's bystander. Okay, I don't have the legacy figure yet, so most likely I won't be able to use it until that time. So I looked online and found out that there is, of course, what we call the coin collection book. Most of these are obviously for coins, and coins are smaller than your typical tokens, but I tried to find the biggest that I was able to get. Okay, and you can see this is 6 per page. Okay, which is just right because usually new sets or the dice and token sets comes in 6. So if you just want to organize them per set, you can also do that. Okay, I think this is 10 pages. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, so 10 pages. So the question is, of course, whether they fit. And let's see. I hope they fit, because if not, it will be a wasted purchase. Okay, so yeah, and it seems they do. It's a tight fit. As you can see here, let's put some more. So I also customize my own token and bystanders at times. So this can also be useful for me in that regard. Okay, so easier to store, especially if it's only this small, rather than putting them on a coin capsule, all of them, and again putting them in one box. Okay, so I'm just wondering though, what happens to this if all the pages are full. It will definitely be one thick booklet. Okay, I think it will be able to handle it. That's why there's only 10 pages. Okay, but for now, it's a good purchase. Okay, so just like your character cards that you can have an album of, okay, now you can have also bystander albums. Okay, let's see. I'll populate this and pushing it to the limit. Okay, so we also have here some bystanders from the miniatures game. Okay, so they are often overlooked because they are from the miniatures game and you can play them in regular games. But this coin collection book can also be a good way to store them. So I'll probably keep this combination of actual bystanders token and miniature tokens in the future. It might be better to keep it more on the miniatures so that it won't be as thick, because if it's all bystander tokens, it will be bulky. So that's it. I hope this is something you can consider when you purchase for your collection. Okay, so until the next idea to protect our lovely Heroclix collection. Bye bye!